Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Suppose you're new to my channel. What I do here is learn how to troubleshoot and do cool things on PC and Android gadgets. If that interests you, consider subscribing to get updated with every new video I upload. Today we'll look at some detailed key updates you can expect in Nitrux 3.5.1. a Linux distribution known for its sleek design and focus on modern desktop experiences. This new version of Nitrux 3.5.1 codename NM combines the latest software updates, bug fixes, performance improvements, and ready-to-use hardware support. Number 1. Linux kernel upgrade. What key update you should look out for on the kernel? Nitrux 3.5.1 includes an updated Linux kernel, Linux 6.9.7-1, Licorice, to enhance hardware compatibility, security, and performance. This update ensures that users can leverage the latest features and improvements provided by the Linux kernel community. Number 2. Desktop and display environment enhancements. With the latest desktop configuration update, the long-anticipated features for multi-touch touchpads are now available. This includes single-click with one tap, double-click with two taps, etc. Furthermore, enhancements have been made to the AutoStart script enabling TouchEgg, compatible with Wayland, to utilize customized gestures seamlessly. Some upgrades for display drivers include: the DisplayLink driver was updated to version 6.0.0 and the Extensible Virtual Display Interface (EVDI) module to version 1.14.4. NVIDIA Linux x64, AMD 64/EM64T, display driver upgraded to version 5.5.5.8.02. AMD open source driver for Vulkan saw an upgrade to version v2024.q2.3. Mesa 3D graphics library to version 24.1.2. Number 3. Application and network updates. In the most recent app update, Firefox was updated to version 127.0.2, with known bug fixes and security patches. Some updates were made to the network configuration for Network Manager, which can be seen on their website, link in the description. Number 4. System stability and bug fixes. This release addresses reported bugs and issues from previous versions, enhancing overall system stability and reliability. These fixes include crash error number 182 and network error number 177. Have all been fixed. Number 5. Overall size reduction. This update comes with a sizable reduction in the size of the ISO compared to previous releases, especially the last, which was 4.28 GB, now it's 2.80 GB. Plans are underway for further reduction of ISO images targeting at most 1.95 GB. Number 6. Security enhancements. For any information on this aspect, please visit their website. Number 7. Additional features. Some features like drivers for managing system drivers and resource in the home directory, which contains useful offline tutorials, were added amongst others. On the other hand, some other functionality were removed. For more details, link in the description. For the most detailed and specific changes, it's recommended to refer to the official release notes or announcements from Nitrux developers. These documents typically provide comprehensive information about what's new, improved, and fixed in the latest version, ensuring users can make informed decisions about updating their systems. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.